Guys, wala na akong interest sa mga ganito na mga makeup and all. Alam niyo yun, pumasok lang ako kasi curious lang ako pero may bibilin ka wala. What's that? Sabi ko, hindi practical bumili ng mga ganyan. Hindi nakikinig naman siya.
Motorcycle.
Mosasaurus.
Huh?
Mosasaurus.
Explain to me. What's this? T-Rex?
Yeah.
What's this?
Mosasaurus.
What's this?
Nessie.
Nessie?
Or
What's this?
elephant.
What's this?
So kangaroo.
Kangaroo. What's this?
Deer.
Huh?
Deer in Christmas.
Reindeer.
Yeah.
Deer nga lang sa kanya eh.
A deer in Christmas.
Okay.
Deer's
And what's this? Pag ganda pala siya oh.
I know. It's a Mosasaurus.
What's
Really?
this? Bear hug. Bear hug.
Let's go na. Ha? You go.
Wala po ba silang pending order?
Wala na.
Ito po sir yung ano, then pasay na lang kita.
6:47.
Okay. What's this? What is that for?
Tempura.
Chef nga daw.
Mm. Ay, spoon.
Very good. Ang sarap ng beef. Wala na itong sausawan kasi nalasa na siya.
Mm.
Ha? What guys?
Rice, oh. With cheese.
Grabe guys, pangalawa yan na yan. Nagpa-take out pa siya para mamaya. Pangalawa yan na yan guys. Nagpa-take out pa siya for his dinner. Gustong gusto niya yan. Minsan lang naman siya mag-lunch on meat. So, it's okay. Hindi naman palagi. Pero guys, tumatakaw na. Tumatakaw na po talaga siya guys. As in, nakakaloka. Lumalaki na. Kailangan pa natin kumayod ng mabuti. Contour daddy niya.
Mewtwo! Mew!
Guys, na-miss namin to kasi may 5:30 pa tong trading niya. Tuturuan siya mag-trade ng Pokemon. So, habang nag-aantay, may 2 hours pa kami. Mag-ayaw-yaw muna kami.
Pupunta.
Tagal na hindi nag-yaw-yaw, no?
Ha?
Tagal-tagal na hindi nag-yaw-yaw.
Yeah.
Yung... Check natin. Compare natin ulit ngayon. Iba talaga. Iba talaga yung yaw-yaw. Hindi mo alam kung healthy to kasi may yogurt, may matamis, may fruit, so balance.
Next is the basic energy. So for since Melmetal is a metal type, you can choose whose Pokemon you want to use. Iron Leaves or Melmetal? Iron Leaves. Okay. One. At each turn, if it's your turn, you have to draw one card. So that we call it turn draw.
Guys, kami kasi pinag-uusapan namin yung mga Pokemon cards ni Hugo ngayon. Sabi namin itabi niya kasi after 20 years. Kasi may isang Pokemon na binibenta daw ngayon, 250,000 na daw.
Charizard.
First edition Charizard.
Yun.
And I have that.
Si Daddy meron, kaya lang sila mommy daw parang tinapon kasi galing pa silang Kuwait and all. May collection si Daddy noon. Ngayon, ang worth ng 250,000. Ganyan, sabi ni Hugo, itatabi doon yung mga Pokemon cards niya. Tapos pag tumagal, pag nakabenta daw siya or something, he'll give some money daw to Daddy. Grabe tong anak na. Pero guys, never kami nagdedemand sa kanya. Never namin sinasabi na, Hugo, paglaki mo, ikaw naman, hindi kami ganun, guys. Pero siya mismo yung nagkukusa, no? Daddy, iba pala, no? Kakatuwa lang anak namin talaga. Uwi na kami, guys. Bye. Bye na, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.